When I say use your life as practice, I mean using your daily routine to practice English every single day. Ever wondered why most of the trainers emphasize on practicing your daily routine very early on in your English speaking journey? You will get the complete understanding of it in this video along with two versions of my daily routine. One for basic learners and one for intermediate to advanced learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanta. You are watching English with Shanta. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will learn how to describe a person's daily routine in English, why it is one of the most important topics that you must master to improve your fluency, and how will it help you in becoming fluent and confident while speaking in English. Useful sentences to describe daily routine, and the common mistakes people make. Towards the end, as I've already told, I have included two versions of my daily routine, one for basic learners and one more for intermediate and advanced learners. I've kept two versions so that you will learn easily how you can improvise your routine. So make sure to watch till the end. Please share it with other learners to help them as well. Firstly, let's see why it is important to learn to describe your daily routine. If you want to speak English confidently, your daily routine is your best teacher. Describing your daily routine is one of the first steps to speaking about your life in English because you know everything that you do or what is happening in your life. It helps others understand your habits, personality, and how you organize your day. This skill is useful not only in casual conversations but also in job interviews, writing personal descriptions, and it even improves your storytelling capabilities. Learning to describe your daily routine builds foundational spoken English skills by practicing common verb tenses and everyday vocabulary. This practice boosts confidence for real life conversations like chatting with friends or colleagues. It also enhances fluency through repetition. Describing routine uses present simple tense for habits such as I wake up at 6 a.m. Okay, helping you to master grammar naturally. This is the most widely used tense while talking in English. You need not study the grammar rules and practice it. If you practice your daily routine, you can master this particular verb tense. It also expands your vocabulary as in how you refine your practice by replacing common simple words with new vocabulary like commute or unwind. You'll see more of it towards the end. Okay, this adds more variety to your speech and makes it precise. Regular practice improves sentence flow by using connectors like after that, before, etc. If you're perfect in this, it will also shine in your interviews, small talks, and other social gatherings where sharing your day reveals your personality and builds rapport. Recording yourself describing your routine will foster self awareness and tracks progress over time. Daily repetition strengthens pronunciation and vocabulary retention by consistent use. And it also minimizes pauses while speaking. It improves fluency and reduces hesitation in speech. Another very important thing is it encourages thinking in English. Practicing aloud, such as in front of the mirror or via recordings, reduces anxiety and builds self assurance for real life interactions. This habit forms language patterns in your brain, improving speed and natural rhythm in everyday talks or interviews. I hope I have convinced you on how important it is to practice your daily routine. Well, you need someone to listen to your routine every day and correct you and give feedback, isn't it? Try Sparky. It's an AI with whom you can have regular conversations and improve your spoken English faster. Watch this demo to understand the app better.
Introducing Sparky, your voice first AI friend for building spoken English fluency. Sparky is a friendly fox you can speak in English with even if you don't speak well. Sparky gently corrects you and also shares feedback on everything you say.
I did not got invited for my friend's birthday and I'm very sad. I didn't knew she did not want to be friends with me.
Oh no, I'm
Each conversation is designed to give you practice on specific language concepts or topics relevant to your life. Sparky keeps the conversation going so it never gets boring and helps and supports learners. If you're stuck for words, Sparky suggests what you could say. If you don't understand something Sparky said, you can easily see the meaning and even translate it to a language of your choice.
Coming to the next section of the video, let's see a few useful sentences to describe your daily routine. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. In the morning, I brush my teeth and take a shower. After breakfast, I go to work or college. I start work at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m. During lunch breaks, I often chat with my colleagues. In the evening, I like to read books or watch TV or spend time with my family. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m. On weekends, I spend time with my family or friends. Sometimes I go for a walk or exercise after work. My daily routine helps me stay organized and productive. You can mix and match or make alterations to these sentences according to what you do. Now let's discuss a few common mistakes that people make when describing your daily routine. Learners often make these mistakes. Please listen to it attentively. The first one and most widely made mistake is using the wrong tense. Remember, we use the present simple tense for habits and routines. Like I wake up, not I am waking up or I woke up. Many people use past tense for describing their routine, which is incorrect. You're not talking about yesterday or some particular day. It's about your daily routine. So always use present simple tense. Second mistake, forgetting time expressions. Use words like usually, always, sometimes to show frequency. Use usually to represent that most of the times this happens. Like usually I wake up at 7 a.m. Means most of the days you wake up at 7 a.m. Use always to show something that you always do. Like I always take a shower before having my breakfast. And use sometimes to show that you sometimes do it. Like sometimes I take a shower in the evening. Means it doesn't happen frequently, but sometimes it does happen. The third mistake is mixing the sequence of words confusingly. Use clear connectors such as after that, then, finally, to organize your ideas well. Fourth mistake is using go to incorrectly. Many people say, I go work at 9 a.m. No, say go to work. Remember, do not use go to for home and shopping. Do not say I go to home or I go to shopping. It's always I go home or I go shopping. The fifth mistake is word order errors. For example, many people, especially beginners, say, I every day go to the gym, right? But the right sequence is, I go to the gym every day. Be careful about this. Don't worry, through repetition, you can correct your minor grammar mistakes. Now, coming to the next section of the video, that is describe your own routine. Well, here's an example to help you. My daily routine for beginners. It has basic words and simple short sentences. Let's start with my routine. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I freshen up and drink a glass of warm water. Then I start preparing breakfast and lunch boxes for my kids. After they leave for school, I eat some seasonal fruit and go for a 20-minute walk, followed by 10 to 15 minutes of relaxing in the sun. After coming back home, I have my breakfast, take a shower, light diya in front of God, and then start my work for my YouTube channel. My work includes editing videos, replying to emails, planning content, or attending online sessions. Around 1 p.m., I have my lunch. After that, I work for some time or scroll through reels. Then I take a short nap for about 30 to 40 minutes. By 4:30 p.m., my kids return from school. I get busy giving them snacks, listening to their stories from school, and helping them with their homework. In the evening, I work out for 20 to 25 minutes. This is a new habit that I have started recently. We prepare dinner around 8:30 p.m. We have our dinner and then go for a 15-20 minute walk. Before going to bed, I scroll reels for some time and finally go to sleep. It's usually 11 or 11:30 p.m. by the time I go to sleep. So this is my simple realistic daily routine. Now, let's come to the second version, that is for intermediate level learners. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. and begin my day by freshening up and drinking a glass of warm water to rehydrate myself. Soon after, I get started on preparing breakfast and lunch boxes for my children. Once they leave for school, I have some seasonal fruit and head out for a 20-minute walk, which is followed by 10 to 15 minutes of relaxing in the sun. This helps me feel energized and refreshed. After returning home, I have my breakfast, take a shower, and light a diya in front of God, which brings a sense of calm and positivity to my morning. I then shift my focus to work related to my YouTube channel. My tasks usually include editing videos, responding to emails, planning upcoming content, or conducting online sessions, depending on the day. Around 1 p.m., I take a break for lunch. After that, I either continue working for a while or unwind by scrolling through reels. I also make it a point to take a short power nap of about 30 to 40 minutes, which helps me recharge for the rest of the day. 4:30 p.m., my children return from school and my attention naturally turns to them. I give them snacks, listen to their stories from school, and help them with their homework. In the evening, I make time for a 20 to 25-minute workout. This is a new habit that I have incorporated into my routine recently, and it has made a noticeable difference in my energy levels. Later, I start preparing dinner. Around 8:30 p.m., we sit down for dinner as a family, after which we go for a 15-20 minute stroll. Before going to bed, I spend some time scrolling through reels, which I'm guilty about, and then I finally call it a day. It's usually 11 or 11:30 p.m. by the time I go to sleep. Overall, this is my simple yet well balanced daily routine which allows me to manage my family, health, and work effectively. Notice how I have replaced simple short sentences into longer sentences by using connectors. Many people have an issue that they are not able to create longer sentences, so this might help you. Not only that, I have elaborated a little bit as compared to the basic version. What are the major differences between the two? When it comes to sequencing words, I have used words like phrases like soon after returning, overall, once. Phrasal verbs head out, shift my focus, unwind, sit down, call it a day, begin my day, head out for a walk, shift to my focus to, spend time on, respond to, relax, unwind, recharge, call it a day. To sound more fluent in English, don't change everything at once. Just upgrade one or two words in each sentence. Example, I relax after lunch, it's basic. Little bit you enhance it by saying I unwind after lunch. Basic, I go to bed. Advanced, I call it a day. Use varied vocabulary. Okay, if you are somebody who goes to work, instead of go to work, try the word commute or head to the office or start my shift. Now try to create a similar description of yourself. Either you can pause or you can rewatch, take notes, practice speaking aloud. It's totally up to you. Practice regularly by speaking or writing about your daily life. That's all for today's video. Keep practicing using the sentences and tips. The more you describe your daily life in English, the easier it will become to share your experiences in any situation. You will notice the difference once you start doing it. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Until then, take care and bye.